How to merge a transparent PNG image with another image using PIL. I have a transparent PNG image food.png and I've opened another image with. Now what I need is to merge food.png with food2.png. Food.png contains some text and I want to print that text on food2.png.
First parameter to .paste is the image to paste. Second are coordinates, and the secret source is the third parameter. It indicates a mask that will be used to paste the image. If you pass an image with transparency, then the alpha channel is used as mask. Check the docs.
Image.paste does not work as expected when the background image also contains transparency. You need to use real alpha compositing. Pillow 2.0 contains an alpha_composite function that does this. Edit, both images need to be of the type RGBA. So you need to call convert RGBA if they are paletted, etc. If the background does not have an alpha channel, then you can use the regular paste method, which should be faster.
As I've already pointed out, image.paste doesn't work properly when source and destination both contain alpha. Consider the following scenario. Two test images, both contain alpha. Compositing image using image.paste like so. Produces the following image. The alpha part of the overlaid red pixels is completely taken from the second layer. The pixels are not blended correctly. Compositing image using image.alpha_composite like so. Produces the following, correct, image.
One can also use blending.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.